In this video, I will be showing you how to use Gamma AI for legal presentations. Let's get started. I'll begin by clicking Create New AI and choosing the Generate option. I'll select Presentation and set the card count to 6. Now, I'm typing in my prompt, asking for a professional summary of a motion for summary judgment. After I click Generate Outline, the AI maps out the essential sections like legal arguments and risk assessments. Next, I can customize the output. I'll select the Concise Text option and pick a clean, professional theme. Once I hit Generate, the AI begins building the slides in real time. It populates the cards with structured legal content, including an executive summary and factual landscape. It even adds relevant visuals and formatting automatically. Now that the presentation is generated, I can review each slide. If I want to change anything, I can now edit and start changing the content as I want. I can use the AI assistant to rewrite sections or use the sidebar to add images, diagrams, and charts. I can also add more content and customize the slides to fit my specific needs. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Gamma AI for legal presentations.